Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna be creating an amazing content. I'm gonna be creating a program that will prompt the user to enter input using the keyboard, and then the program will display what the user will have entered on the screen. So here we're gonna use a Python input function, which is an inbuilt function that allows the user to enter data via the keyboard, and then we'll use the print function to display the user input on the screen. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna write a program to capture user input. So to do that, we say, for example, name. We want the user to enter name, so we'll say the name will be input. Then inside here we'll tell the user enter your full name. Then we also want to capture the age of the user. So here we'll say age is equals to input, then into bracket here we'll say enter your age. So now let's use the print function to display user input. So here we'll say print, which is an inbuilt function. Then we tell the user that your name is, then here we'll use formatted string, and to use formatted string then we have to put an F here. A formatted string will allow us to input our variables inside a string. So here we'll say name and UR, then we put our age here and UR age. Yes. So let me run my program. So here let me navigate to where my program is. I go to desktop, then inside the folder called ICT, then I'll say Python 3, then the name of my program is user input.py. So the program is here as enter your full name, so I'll say Clayton Behi, then enter your age 22, then the program prints your name is Clayton Mbei and you are 22 years. Yeah, that's how you can capture the user input and print it on the screen. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section and I will be responding to your questions, and if you have suggestions also, you can drop in the comment section. That is it for today, and stay tuned for more content coming up. Thank you.